Hi guys, today in this video we will compare Allstate, Geico, Progressive and State Farm car insurance companies. These are the four largest car insurance companies in the US. All have been in business for decades, enjoy strong financial strength ratings and are well known in the industry. Together, they held more than 50% of the total market share of personal auto insurance policies in the recent years according to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners. They also all scored high ratings in Nerdwallet's 2021 analysis of the best car insurance companies. The Nerdwallet compared these insurers to find the top-rated company in the 5 categories. The category number 1 was lowest premiums, number 2 was fewest consumer complaints, number 3 was highest customer satisfaction ratings, number 4 was most coverage options, and number 5 category was most tech friendly. The rankings in each category are recapped at the end of the video. Here is a quick look at each company's top traits. The categories in which it ranked first or second in our in-depth comparison of the 4 largest insurers. The Allstate is at the top in coverage options, tech and few complaints. Geico Insurance is at the top in price, tech and customer satisfaction. Progressive Insurance is at the top in coverage options and few complaints, while the State Farm is at the top position in customer satisfaction and price. So guys, we looked at price, consumer complaints, customer satisfaction, coverage options and apps and technology to see how the nation's 4 largest car insurance companies compare with one another. We see in the number 1 category, that is lowest premium. For many, price is king and little else matters. If that describes you, Geico is worth checking out. Charging $200 less per year on average than the next cheapest large insurer, that is State Farm, Geico ranks as the cheapest among the 4 companies in Nerdwallet's 2021 analysis. And with over 15 auto insurance discounts available, Geico offers more ways to save on your car insurance than State Farm, Progressive or Allstate. To rank by price, we used national average annual rates for a 40-year-old driver with a clean driving history. Here are those rates. You can see at your screen. The rate for the Geico is $1,268 per year. For the State Farm, it is $1,491 per year. For Progressive, $1,562 per year. And for the Allstate, it is $2,381 per year. Now we come to the second category, and that is fewest complaints. Relative to its size, Progressive had the fewest complaints reported to state regulators for private passenger auto insurance, according to 3 years' worth of data for the NAIC. But it was not the only large insurer with good behavior. Allstate and Geico also had fewer complaints than expected relative to their size, which is measured by premiums written. State Farm had close to the expected number of complaints for auto insurance. In the third category, that is highest customer satisfaction, the State Farm customers are not only the most satisfied with customer insurance claims, but also report better overall satisfaction according to J.D. Power's 2020 US Auto Insurance Study and Customer Reports 2019 Car Insurance Ratings, the most recent survey that is available. Satisfaction surveys include pricing, claims, and customer service questions. Now we come to the third category, that is most coverage options. Out of 12 optional coverage needs we looked for, such as gap insurance and accident forgiveness, Allstate offered 9. Progressive was a close second, offering 8 of the 12 optional types of coverage. Here are some other differences you can see at your screen. Allstate is the only one of the 4 carriers to offer pay per mile insurance, a type of policy where you pay a base rate plus a per mile rate. Number 2 is Allstate offers new car replacement. This coverage pays for the value of brand new car of the same make and model minus the deductible if your car is totaled in a covered loss. Alternatively, Progressive offers gap insurance which pays for the difference between the value of a car at the time it is totaled or stolen and the balance of its loan or lease. Because the coverage is similar, insurers commonly offer only one or the other, if at all. State Farm and Geico offer neither. Number 3 is of the big four only, Geico offers mechanical breakdown insurance. Now we come to the category number 5, and that is most tech friendly. Consumers expect smooth online experiences and slick apps for many services, and insurance is no exception. Geico stands out for having, you can see at your screen, number 1, an in-app vehicle care feature to monitor your car's maintenance. Number 2 is locators in the app for gas and parking. Number 3 is Lyft integration, so you can hail a rideshare car from the app. The other 3 big insurers have some similar technology features, but Geico has the most. Now we see the recap, how the insurers compare. If we talk about the price in this category, price-wise, at number 1 is Geico, number 2 is State Farm, number 3 is Progressive, and number 4 is Allstate. You can see at your screen. Secondly, if we see and rank the companies with respect to the complaints, you can see again at your screen. At number 1 is Progressive, number 2 is Allstate, number 3 is Geico, and number 4 is State Farm. If we speak with respect to the satisfaction, at number 1 is State Farm, number 2 is Geico, number 3 is Allstate, and number 4 is Progressive. While if we see with respect to the coverage options, at number 1 is Allstate, number 2 Progressive, number 3 Geico, and number 4 is State Farm. If we speak with respect to the tech, number 1 is Geico, number 2 is Allstate, number 3 is State Farm, and number 4 is Progressive. Now we see about some extra features. If you are looking for a particular feature from an insurance company, you may find it with some and not with others. These are some of the options that set the 4 largest auto insurance companies apart from one another. Some cost extra, others are included at no additional charge when you buy a policy. Star ratings come from Nerdwallet's 2021 ranking of the best car insurance companies. Now you can see at your screen, if we talk about Allstate, its Nerdwallet ranking is 4.5 stars out of 5, and its coverage options are accident forgiveness, new car replacement, deductible rewards, reward for accident avoidance, sound system coverage, pay per mile insurance, and its tech options are parking locator and gas price locator. Secondly, we come to the Geico. Its star rating is 4.5 star also out of 5 stars, while coverage options are accident forgiveness and mechanical breakdown coverage. This is the only company offering the mechanical breakdown coverage. If we speak about tech options, its tech options are number 1 parking locator, second is gas locator, third is Lyft integration in app, and number 4 is car maintenance alerts. At number 3 is Progressive Insurance, and its rating is also 4.5 stars. Its coverage options are gap insurance, accident forgiveness, deductible rewards, custom parts coverage, and it has no tech options. While number 4 is State Farm. Its coverage options are NA. There is no coverage options from State Farm. Its rating is also 4.5 stars, and its tech options are Steer Clear training app for young drivers. Now we see the price comparison of all 4 companies. This head-to-head price comparison of each of the 4 biggest car insurance companies will help you decide which insurer is right for you. First of all, we compare the Geico and Progressive. For Good driver with good credit. Geico's rate is $1,268 and Progressive is $1,562. You can see at your screen. I will not go into the details of all the four options: good driver, good credit, good driver, poor credit, driver with recent at fault accident, and minimum coverage. You can pause the video and see the rates. Now we compare the Allstate and State Farm. Again, you can pause the video and see the rates on your own. First column shows the rates for Allstate and second column shows the rates for State Farm. At number 3, we see the comparison between Geico and State Farm. The second column of the table shows the rates of Geico and the third column shows the rates of State Farm. Now we come to the comparison between Allstate and Geico. Again, second column shows rates for Allstate and third column shows rates for Geico. Next, we compare Progressive and Allstate. The second column shows the rates for Allstate and the third column shows the rates for Progressive Insurance. And this last table shows the comparison between Progressive and State Farm Insurance. Second column shows the rates for Progressive and the last column shows, third column, the rates for State Farm Insurance. So guys, this is the comparison between these four largest car insurers in the US market. Now it is up to you which company suits you according to your requirements. I hope that this video will help you decide which car insurer is best for you. So now, in the end, I would like to request you again to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest notifications of my videos. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.